Right, well, hello. As you can tell if you follow me on Instagram, this isn't my usual tractor. I'm currently doing a bit of work for Brian Morris. We did a few videos of him slurry. I did one of slurry combining when Stuart was over, and then Stuart had the big Fendt 930 he had over here. We're currently vert spinning in Gloucestershire, and yeah, that's pretty much all we're doing today. I brought the drone along down there, and I just decided, you know what, I'm going to make a video like this, because all my videos are drone ones, and I don't know how many people actually like, as in, because obviously you have people like Johnny 13 something, sorry Johnny, I forgot your name, yeah, who do videos like this, and they seem to be quite popular and people like them. So I thought, why not do one myself, because but yeah, I have a few things. The main reason I wanted to do this is because I don't like just posting random things on Instagram, telling people the plans for future videos and things like that. And what we're doing is I'm going up to see Johnny, well, sometime, to do a video for him and just to have some fun and meet him and stuff like that. So I thought, why not go up and tell you guys on here. Also, other things we'll be doing, William R, hopefully most of you will have heard him, massive farmer in Scotland, loads of Instagram followers. He wants me to go up and film a video for him, so we're going to do that. If any of you are going to the Highland show, I'm going there with Stuart Dubois, so you'll be able to see us there if you actually want to. I don't blame you if you don't. But yeah, so I'm quite pissed off because my windscreen is filthy because they decided to take it out. They took this tractor on slurry when I was at home. Obviously I don't do much work for Brian, I just know some of them quite well, so I come in and help out a bit. And yeah, we're currently in a, I think it's a 22 acre field this is, I think. I don't actually know, it's not first time I've been. I did a bit of combining in the fields opposite down there, but other than that I haven't really done anything else up here. We're more over the other side of that hill, but yeah. So I hope in the future, well, let me know if you actually like videos like this, because personally they don't affect me in any way. It doesn't matter, I don't care what I put on my YouTube as long as you guys like them and you want me to carry on with those videos. But yeah, it's up to you. I really don't care what the plan is, what you want to do with it and stuff like that. So yeah, but other than that I don't really have much to say other than leave what you want me to do with future videos in the description. I also thought, I've had a few people so yeah, we'll get loaded up and that will probably be the video. Right, so we're almost finished this field and I think I'm gonna go now. So, thank you for watching the video. If you made it this far into the video, which I doubt you all will have, because why would you want to? I haven't got much left in the field anyway. But yeah, keep up to date. Thanks for watching, and bye. She must think I'm a rapper. Yo, babe, what's the matter?